session, I am going to talk about the International Yoga Day. I hope all of you are aware that today is the International Yoga Day. We celebrate 21st June every year as a International Yoga Day, right? Right? Okay. Now, it happens now. Sometimes we feel very low, right? Sometimes our worries can feel too big. It can feel like you are in a deep, dark hole and you don't know how to get out, right? Sometimes it happens now. It happens like we are in the deep hole. We doesn't know how to come out from our problem, what to do, how to do, right? So tell me, what sort of things makes you feel low? Can you please share your idea when you feel very low? Anything which makes you very low. Suppose for me, when my when I plan something and it will not work accordingly, so I feel very low. So it happens. Anything happens with you when you feel very low that today I'm not happy. Sometimes without any reason, sometimes we are unhappy. Is that happening with you? Anyone who wants to share?
A day without my friends.
Okay, so you feel low. Shania, when did you feel very low, upset? Um, what makes you upset? That you feel you are very, very upset. Nobody can cheer you up. Shania?
No, I don't have anything that made me that upset, ma'am.
Okay, Yuvraj,
Ma'am, me too, but
anyone? How your
ma'am,
parents
my
know that
body
you are
feels
upset?
tired. Ma'am, my
Tired.
body feels tired.
Okay, very good. So how does it feels when you are happy? Shania, when you're happy, how's your body is reacting? Active.
It energizes.
Okay, great. Who is it that make you feel happy inside? Anything which makes you happy inside?
Ma'am, for me, it's my little brother. He's
Oh,
under one age.
oh, then there must be a chance.
Yeah,
What
I
do
play with him, and yeah,
Yeah, actually, kids makes us very happy because they innocent smile. The vibes coming from
yeah.
them is very innocent, which will make us very happy. Feels like we are not in
Especially
this world.
infants.
Yeah,
Especially infants.
yes. So, what do they do that makes you feel good? Like Yuvraj said, their smile makes him very happy, right? For me, my daughters plays with me, so I feel very happy. So, anything else, Jayashree and Shania, which makes you or doing meditation makes you sleepy? Yeah, Jayashree, Pooja, sorry, Yuvraj. Can you share your experience with us?
Uh, Ma'am, actually, I do meditation whenever I exercise. So after exercising, I do a little bit of meditation for like 3 to 4 minutes.
Hmm.
Actually, not even meditation, pranayam.
Okay, pranayam. Okay, Jayashree, what do you do?
Ma'am, 5 minutes before sleeping and during exams.
Okay, so
I
is
love
there
to
any,
do it.
okay, so is there any changes you feel after doing meditation? Anything you feel? Any changes in your
Yes,
body or mind?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, body enlightens. Ma'am, meditation enlightens your body.
Okay, right.
Yes,
Uh, Yuvraj, what do you feel after doing meditation or pranayam?
Ma'am, after doing meditation slash pranayam, I feel very fresh and my
Hmm,
breathing also becomes very clean.
very good. So,
And it
Shania,
also raises our immunity.
correct. Nowadays, immunity is more important.
Yeah.
Shania, did you
Because
try?
COVID.
Yes. But it is a good thing to have a good immunity. Like our ancestors are have had the very good immunity system.
Yeah,
Okay,
because they were used to fight animals like lions, bears, hippos.
correct. Yes, Shania, do you want to add anything? Have you ever done in meditation?
No, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay, but do try it because now 10th is coming. So every day, not for longer period of time, at least 5 minutes. Just sit quietly, close your eyes, or if you don't want to close your eyes, just make a point on the wall and just look at that point, or any color you want to, suppose, put up any pencil there on a standing position and just look at them. This is also a meditation. Okay, so this will enhance your concentration level. Sometimes you, especially in the students I have seen, they cannot sit on the place for the longer period. After 10 minutes they feel restless, they want to get up, they want to move. So this can be cured by this meditation. Okay, right? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how do you feel? You can use what you have, like a cupid or feel like strong atlas god. Which you like to choose? Fly like a cupid or feel strong like Atlas to hold all kind of worries on your back? Let us start with Jayashree. Which one you want to follow? Fly like a
Ma'am,
cupid?
feel strong like Atlas.
Very good. Yuvraj, what is your choice?
Ma'am,
How do
fly
you
like
feel?
Cupid.
Very good. Shania, what's yours?
Feel strong like an atlas.
Ah, okay.